So we really must look at how to make potato floddies, a very, very good recipe for the whole of your family. Oh, I can see you've been digging for victory. It's very important to plant all the food and vegetables that you can in your own back garden. You've been growing potatoes. Fabulous. Time to dig some up. Don't forget the potato is a protective food, and it's very, very helpful. It helps you to stretch your flour ration by using potatoes from your own back garden. 2 potatoes, that's plenty to feed your family. Ah, good. You've also got some flavouring. Your family will thank you for that. Let's take some rosemary into the kitchen and use it later. Ah, here's that terribly important flour. It is on ration, you know, so you must use it sparingly. Just a little goes a long way. Don't forget to add flavouring. We've got salt going in and pepper. And the rosemary from the garden will make it taste absolutely delicious. Now then, let's get that mixture cooked. You could either use lard or margarine in your frying pan. Wait until they're brown on one side and then turn them over. They'll be absolutely scrummy. Don't forget that every time you use potatoes, you're saving on shipping because they're homegrown, don't you know? And here they are, a lovely, lovely treat to feed your family. They really are the energy givers. Why don't you have a go and try making potato floddies? Thank you. Goodbye.